To install the convertible cover on your Matryx snowmobile, follow these steps. Begin by placing the cover over the windshield and handlebar. Next, place the cover over the front bumper and spindles. Once the cover is fitted over the front portion of the snowmobile, secure the hook and loop spindle straps around the inside of the spindle on both sides of the snowmobile. Then, stretch the cover over the rear of the snowmobile. If applicable, open the expansion section for a proper fit over the M2 seat and continue working the cover into position. Next, attach the 4 cover hold-down hooks to the running boards. Then, pull the quick straps down to tighten the cover. Next, adjust the front handlebar strap to take up excess material between the handlebars and windshield. Before continuing, ensure all straps are secure and the cover is fitted properly. If there is no passenger seat installed, the expandable portion must be zipped closed before transport. Failure to comply could cause damage to the cover or snowmobile. Once fitted, the convertible cover is fitted with a fuel access port to allow easy refueling during transport. This cover must be zipped closed before departing. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.